Hello everyone, today we are in Casalanguida, a small village situated in Abruzzo region, Chieti province, situated at just 25 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast. And here we are in the historic center of the village, at walking distance from all basic facilities. Casalanguida is a small village with basic facilities, but it is also conveniently close, just a 10 minutes drive to Atessa, a bigger village where you can find basically anything you need. And today we are looking at an historic apartment with lots of character, situated in this lovely building, completely made of stone. As you can see, the facade has been completely restored with exposed stone. And here we have an entrance hall, a shared entrance hall, and this is the cellar that belongs to the apartment. And here we have the garage. So here we have the garage of the property. It is quite a nice size. You have also water here and electricity. It is completely made of stone. And this is the door from which you can enter from outside with your car. And this way we have the cellar of the property. Is pretty big, with cotto floors, high ceilings, star vaulted ceilings. It's a nice space to store your things. As you can see, this part was completely restored, and here we also have a functioning well. And now we can go upstairs to reach the apartment. So here we have other properties, and we have to go to the second floor to reach the apartment. As you can see here, we have beautiful stone steps, and basically this is the entrance to the apartment. That opens into this lovely sitting room. With a balcony, a small balcony with a nice view on the village, and also down there, when it's clear, you can also have a distant sea view. And here we have a beautiful living room with a fresco on the ceilings, probably from the 1800s. Nice marble flooring and 2 balconies. You have nice high ceilings. And here we have a dining room with the same high ceilings. This is a built-in wardrobe. And here we have the balcony with the same view of the living room. You have a view on the historic center and the surrounding hills. And proceeding this way, there we have the sitting room at the entrance, and here we have a full bathroom with shower. And right next to it, we have the kitchen with a fireplace. This is the gas boiler, so the house is connected to gas central heating system. And since you already have a big living room, the best thing it would be to turn this room into the kitchen to have more space. And we are back in the sitting room. And from the living room we can have access to the bedrooms. The apartment has a circular layout, so here we have a double bedroom with high ceilings and cotto floors and a balcony. And this room also has a fireplace. From this room we can reach another bedroom with a fresco on the ceiling. Here we have the third bedroom. With a window. And the last bedroom connected to the first one that we saw. So right now all the bedrooms are connected, but it would be easy to change the layout of the house. So this historic elegant apartment is considered to be in habitable condition because it has all utilities connected, including central heating system. It just needs some maintenance and maybe some light renovation if you intend to change the layout of the house. And if you would like more information, you can check the link in the description box or send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.